Hello guys, welcome to our fashion illustration tutorial. In today's lesson, we will explore the fascinating world of color theory and its application in fashion illustration. So grab your sketchbook and let's get started. Before we dive into the illustration process, let's take a moment to understand the basic of color theory. Color plays the crucial role in fashion illustration as they evoke emotion, conveys the mood and creates a visual impact. I have uploaded a full length video about color theory and it's a detailed explained video has been uploaded in the YouTube channel. I will give the link on the description as well as in the icon. With the help of that, you can play with the colors and create your own fashion illustrations. Today I will be creating an fashion illustration based on the color wheel. It is an example, but you can use any colors on the color wheel like you want. I'm going with the complementary color, which is also known as the exact or opposite color of a color. So I'm choosing yellow and purple as a complementary color for my illustrations. There is a more color theory, for example monochromatic, analogous, split complementary, tragic color theories and complementary color theories. You guys can choose anything from that from the color wheel and make. Today I am taking the complementary color as to show an example for you guys, but you guys can make your illustration with any color theories you want. The detailed color theory video has been uploaded, as I told, where it is explained everything, like from what is color theory, how to make color wheel, and what are the types are there in color wheel, everything detailed. I will just share the link on the description. If it is useful for you guys, just go and watch it. Now that we have a solid understanding of color theory, let's move on to the illustration process. I started by sketching a basic shape of the fashion figure and kept it loose and tight, as we are going to serve the foundation of our illustration. I have demonstrated an Indian lehenga, Indian traditional dress lehenga, and I'm going to apply it. You guys can go with any form of dresses you want. You can go with western or Indo-westerns. That's definitely up to you guys. This is just an example on how the color theory works. I just wanted to show you guys that. I have applied yellow color as my base color. I'm going to keep the whole lehenga as an yellow, and I'm going to do the complementary color in the border only, but you guys can go with anything of your type, what you prefer. You can go with anything. Next I'm going to add the complementary color, that is a purple, in the border to enhance the color wheel that we choose. The color of the yellow and purple just go really well with each other. That's why they are known as complementary colors. Experiment with the different color combination and techniques to find your own unique style. Don't be afraid to play with the texture, pattern and embellishment. Just go with the flow. I have added some ornaments and accessories because I wanted to keep it as a bridal outfit. Now it's time to add the border and the embellishment. I'm using 3 different types of pen here. It's a uniball, gold, white and silver pen. I have used those 3 pens to create the borders. I just wanted to make it so simple because this is an illustration for the beginners. Create your own patterns that you wanted it to be in the illustrations, or else you guys can even take the motifs that are available in the Pinterest, or you can even take your ideas from the dresses that are already available in the market. If you guys don't know how to make the patterns, I will create a separate video on how to create your own pattern for the lehenga illustrations or the any illustrations for any illustrations. I will upload a video on that really soon so that you guys can use it for your further projects. In this lehenga, I have used a Jardosi technique and a small embroidery embellishment in between. The silver cross lines indicates the Jardosis, and the flower, the purple flower that I am adding now, is a small embroidery to keep the lehenga simple as well as unique and ethnic. I'm going to keep the dupatta and the blouse really simple because I wanted the full focus on the skirt. Apply the shadows, techniques, and highlight your lehenga to give the natural look or the realistic look. If you guys don't know how to create the shadings, have uploaded a separate video on how to create shadings and highlights. All the links are in the description box. And there you have it, a fashion illustration created like a professional using the color theory principle. With practice and exploration, you will develop your signature style that showcase your creativity. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you have gained a valuable insight into a color theory and its application in fashion illustration. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep sketching and keep experimenting and exploring exciting world of fashion illustration. Until next time, happy designing. Bye.